All right, here we go with the June 13th, Wednesday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We were socked in with clouds with one of our cold air damming or wedging scenarios in play yesterday. There's the visible satellite imagery, a lot of cloud cover around the region, and those clouds really held our temperatures in check. Look at these numbers, only 70s in many spots across the region, even down to Columbia. The high temperature 78 degrees yesterday, and there were a number of sites around the Triad viewing area that did not even get out of the 60s. Asheboro, Winston-Salem, Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro, all 60s for highs yesterday, lower 70s elsewhere. We'll look at the Charlotte viewing region. It did not make it out of the 60s in Lincolnton. Only 73 in Charlotte, 70 in Salisbury and Statesville, 73 over in Wadesboro as well yesterday. Now there's a look at Winston-Salem State University this morning. We still have that deck of cloud cover with us. That'll be pretty stubborn through the morning as this wedge slowly erodes. 67 there in Winston-Salem State. And there's the Dowd YMCA camera. Again, a lot of low clouds overhead. Looking at Uptown, 68 the temperature at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport during the 5 a.m. hour. 60s on the board in many spots, some 70s closer to the coast. And it's tough to see on the satellite imagery, but we still do have that deck of clouds in place that will be gradually eroding. A few showers over in the Outer Banks early this morning, a few rumbles of thunder too, and then this activity from West Virginia, Kentucky, back into Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, that's all associated with our next cold front. It'll be getting here tomorrow. But the story today is how quickly does this wedge or this cold air damming scenario unfold and erode away for us. I do think it will erode in time, so as we get toward this afternoon and this evening, temperatures climb well into the 80s, and we have some afternoon showers or thunderstorms develop. They'll be pretty widely separated, but I do think some isolated showers and storms develop later today as this wedge erodes. So a lot of morning clouds, but then some intervals of afternoon sun, and as temperatures warm up into the 80s, we get the development of a few of those showers and storms. Mild and humid tonight with lows in the lower 70s in many spots. Now, tomorrow's forecast continues to hinge on how quickly this next cold front moves through. I think the timing is such that for a lot of the Carolinas, we still need to mention at least a few showers and thunderstorms as a possibility later for our Thursday. High temperatures shape up like that, but then a lot of us get behind the front on Friday. So northern South Carolina, most of North Carolina, some slightly drier air, and temperatures don't look bad at all for our Friday. And Father's Day weekend, not bad either. Mostly dry Saturday, then a few scattered storms for Sunday with highs in the Piedmont in the upper 80s and lower 90s. So not too bad. Temperatures then build a little bit, maybe low to mid 90s for most of us as we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. All right, tropical update time. Still watching the Caribbean Sea. Nothing very organized. You do have this complex of showers and storms that occasionally fires there in parts of the Caribbean, but it does not look like it's having any luck developing into a classified system. The National Hurricane Center is only giving this about a 20% chance of developing into some type of classified system. But the bigger story is the tropical downpours associated with it. Currently, this is the European moisture, a lot of rain and issues potentially in Central America into the Yucatan over the next couple of days, and then that plume of deep moisture could move into places like Texas and Louisiana by Father's Day. But any impacts from that will stay well off to our southwest. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.